Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout, and in this video I wanted to show you a new feature in our platform that is available in our beta, which is called text analysis. So text analysis basically allows you to use artificial intelligence to check the text for different things. So let me just go straight into it and create a new model. So let's say testing text AI. Testing, and then we need to select what's the input. In this case, let's use, for example, txt files, and here we need to specify a mode, pass not pass or detection mode. The difference between them is basically, do you want the model to say yes or no, or you want the model to give you more broad information written in the update of the task. So just for this example, let's use pass not pass, and then you need to select the model service. In this case, we support 3 services and more coming up: key phrases, sentiments, and entities. The difference between them is that in entities, you try to detect whether text has some known term inside. For example, a name of any organization, a name of a person, a brand or product, or etc. For example, if it is an iPhone, then you probably want to have an entity for that is a product. Okay, if it's an Apple, the entity for that is an organization. So whatever term you're looking for in the text can be found by using entities functionality. Sentiments very simple. If you want to detect whether the text is negative, positive, neutral, or mixed. And key phrases is basically a way like to extract talking points. Okay, what's the phrases and what's the construct that are most commonly used in this text. Now, for this example, let's use entities, and let's see what we have here. So if you choose a different service, let's choose sentiment, there's a different screen you want to fill in. So in this case, entities, and these are the ones we can find. Right now the system works on OR basis, so let's say if we add commercial item, let's add iPhone, let's add organization Apple. So right now what happens is if there is a mention of iPhone or Apple in the text, the system will trigger. There is nothing mentioned, it won't trigger. It's very handy technique if you process lots of incoming information, like incoming lots of blog posts or reviews or anything that has some company or something that mentioned that you're interested in further study. And once you press create model, so the model is now created. So now what you can do is in Monday you can use text to do text analysis and routing based on that. So here an example that I demonstrated in the previous video where we analyzed the CEO blog draft. First of all, we checked if it's talking about LinkedIn acquisition. And we examined the letter from Satya Nadella about LinkedIn acquisition. And then we examined if it has this mentioned, everything that is not about that, like, for example, this employee is not interested in looking at, and everything is what is about LinkedIn, we're interested in checking then into a sentiment, if it's a positive or negative. So there are 2 workflows in play here. So that's a video about text, and have a nice day then. See you soon.